Hi everybody, in this video let's look at the relationship between the area of the image and the area of the object under an enlargement. I have an enlargement over here. Point E is the center of enlargement. This is object, this is image. Okay, first let's determine the scale factors of this enlargement. How do we find the scale factor of an enlargement? We take the length of the image, the length of side of the image divided by the length of the corresponding side of the object. So remember, image on the top, object at the bottom. Okay, now let's look at the length and the width. Let's determine the length and the width of the object first. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 units. 1, 2, 2 units. So how about the image? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 units. How about the width? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 units. To determine the K, the scale factors, you can take 12 divided by 4 or 6 divided by 2. Both will give you the correct answer. Okay, 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. So the scale factors of this enlargement is 3. 4 times 3, you will get 12, right? 2 times 3, you will get 6. But when it comes to their area, you need to be more careful. How about the area of the object? For 2, you will get 8 square units. How about the area of the image? 12 times 6, you will get 72 square units. You will notice that 8 times 3 will not give you 72, but you have to times 3 square. Multiply by the scale factors, but you need to square it. Okay, so this is a formula that we need to remember. Area of image is equal to K square. Remember, you need to square the scale factors times area of the object. Okay, now let's look at a few examples so that you understand better about this topic. It's given that the area of a geometric object, okay, this is object, 16 square centimeters. Calculate the area of its image under an enlargement with scale factors of 4 and 2 over 3. So at the beginning, I would suggest you to write this formula for a few times so that you can remember the formula well. Area of image is equal to K square. Remember, you need to square it times area of object. Area of image we don't know, we want to find out. The scale factors is 4 square times the area of object, which is equal to 16. So this is 16. 16 times 16 will give you 256 square centimeters. Okay, now let's go to part B. Now this time the scale factors is equal to 2 over 3. Area of image is equal to K square. Remember, square the scale factors. So 2 over 3 square times the area of object, 16. So this will give you 4 over 9. 4 over 9 times 16. Okay, so the area of the image is 7 and 1 over 9 square centimeters. Let's look at one more example. In the diagram, polygon PRSTU. PRSTU is the image of the polygon PQXWV. PQXWV. So this is the object, and it enlarged become the bigger shape. Okay, so the center of enlargement is over here. This is the center of enlargement. Given that PQ is equal to QX, PQ is equal to QX. So that means here is 5 centimeter as well. and VW is equal to WX. VW is equal to WX. Calculate the scale factors K of the enlargement. Scale factors, we take the length of the side of the image divided by the length of the corresponding side of the object. So we need the length of the image and the length of the object. So here I will take this divided by this. PU is the side of the image, and PV is the corresponding side of the object. Okay, PU divided by PV. PU is equal to 6 plus 4.8. PV is equal to 6. So this will be 10.8 divided by 6. The scale factors of this enlargement is equal to 1.8. Okay, for part B, we want to find the perimeters of the shaded region. So we know that the perimeters of the shaded region is over here, right? Okay, so now the problem is we have some sides that we don't know their measurement. QR, RS, ST, UV, right? So we need to find out their, UV we have the measurement which is 4.8, but we don't have VW and WX. Okay, now let's determine the length of ST first. So that since the question tells you that VW and WX, they are the same length, when they enlarge, VW will become UT, WX will become TS. So this and this same length, that means UT and TS will be in the same length as well. So we know this is 3.6 centimeter. So how about RS? The scale factors is K. How do we get the scale factors? We take the image divided by the corresponding side of the object, here, QX. This will give you this will give us 1.8, right? So RS we don't know, we need to find out. QX we know, which is 5. Okay, so RS is equal to 5 times 1.8, 9. Okay, we know that RS is equal to 9 centimeter. Okay, so how about VW? Again, how do we get the scale factor? We take the image divided by the object, right? Image, which is UT. I take this one compared with this one, because I want to find the length of VW. UT is equal to 3.6. VW, we don't know, we want to find out the measurement of VW. So VW is equal to 3.6 divided by 1.8. You should be able to get 2. Okay, this is 2 centimeter. If this is 2 centimeter, here will be 2 centimeter as well. Okay, last side that we need to find its measurement is QR. So we need to find PR first. The corresponding side of the PR is PQ. From here, enlarge at this center, P become PR. Okay, so PR divided by PQ is equal to 1.8. PR is, we don't know, we want to find the measurement of PR. PQ is 5. PR is 5 times 1.8, which will give you 9 centimeter. P to R is 9 centimeters. That means Q to R is 4, right? 9 minus 5, you will get 4 centimeters. Okay, now we have the measurement for every single side over here. So the next step is just find the sum of all this number. Then we will be able to get the perimeters of the shaded region. Perimeter of the shaded region, 9 plus 2 times of 3.6 plus 4.8 plus 2 times of 2 plus 5 plus 4. Okay, 9 plus 2 times 3.6 plus 4.8 plus 4 plus 5 plus 4. You will get 34 centimeters. Okay, now let's go to the last part, the area of the shaded region. To find the area of the shaded region, we need to find the area of the whole diagram first, then minus the area of this part object. So this is object, this is image. Okay, let me find the area of the image first. The area of the object first. I break this become 2 parts. So trapezium and square. So this here 2, here will be 2 as well. And this is 2. This is 4. Area of PQXWV. PQXWV is equal to area of this square, which is 2 times 2. You can write 2 square plus area of this trapezium. When it's come to the area of the trapezium, you need to be more careful. Always start with 1 over 2. Then find the sum of 2 parallel sides, which is here and here. 5 plus 2. Then multiply by the perpendicular height, 4. Okay, you will get 18 square centimeters. This is the area of the object. So since just now I told you that area of image is equal to k squared times area of object. We know the k is 1.8, right? And the area of object, which is 18. So by using this formula, we can get the area of this image of PRSTU easily. Area of PRSTU is equal to 1.8 square. Remember to square the scale factors times 18, which will give you 58.32 square centimeters. And the question is asking area of the shaded region. So we need to take this one, the area of the whole diagram, minus the area of PQXWV, so that we will be able to get the area of the shaded region. Area of the shaded region is equal to 58.32 minus 18. Okay, you will get 40.32 square centimeters. Okay, that's all for this video. Hopefully you understand better about the relationship between the area of the image and the area of the object under an enlargement. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.